This look nice. The blue matching blue, man. That's not what I want, man. I want to represent Jamaica nice. What's up, y'all? How you doing? This is Ernel, Earlington, and Doxology. Just want to let you know that Jamaica nice. To all my people down in Jamaica, coming at you. Last year I entered this competition. I took 3rd place. This year, I come to Turkey. Remember, I tell you. Yeah, man, grew up on the hills of St. Andrew, born in Kingston. You know, the Lawrence Tavern, Mount Togo Temple Hall. Went to Oberlin High School, City Mission Church. You know, and living here in the United States. But I come to take this competition. I appreciate everything that the Jiifsc is doing. And just want to make the world know, if you never know, Jamaica nice!